Want to learn how I solved quickly? Just watch this video till end. You will easily find the square root of any number within just 5 seconds. Here I explained everything step by step in detail. Hello everyone, welcome back to Official LearnX YT. Today we are going to learn how to find square root of bigger number. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So here I wrote the squares from 1 to 10. So here you need to remember one thing, that see 1 square the unit digit is 1 only. Similarly 9 square 81, the unit digit is 1 here. 2 square 4, 8 square 64, so here the unit digit is 4. 3 square 9, 7 square 49, the unit digit is 9. 4 square 16, unit digit 6. 6 square 36, unit digit 6. 5 square 5, so for 5 6. 5 square 5, so for 5 the unit digit will be 5. So here I wrote completely. For if the unit digit is 1, which is the square of 1 and 9. If the unit digit is 4, this is the square of 2 and 8. 9, 3 and 7. Similarly 6, 4 and 6. 5, 5. 0 will be for the 10. So now by using these, how we will find square root of different number. So let us find the square root of 1369. So what is the square root of this number? See, it is very difficult to find, right? So how we will find quickly? So first you write both the number separately, 1 and 3, 6 and 9. So two digit we need to write separately. So now after this you need to check 9 is the unit digit of which squares. So if you will observe, 9 is the unit digit of 3 square, means 3 here, and 9 is the unit digit of 7 square. So here 7. So here we got 3 and 7. So after writing this, you need to check this number 13, right? So 13 will come in between which two square number you need to check. See, first 3 square 9, next 9 after 16. So here 9 and 16 in between it is coming, right? So you need to take smaller one, which is 9. So 9 is the square root of 3. So here you have to write 3. So the 1369, it can be the square of 33 or else 37. So here we got 2. So from these two we have to segregate the correct answer. So now how we will find the correct answer from this? So now we got 13, right? And here if you will see 3 square, how much? 3 square is 9. Okay, next after 1 how much? 16, right? From 13 to 16 and 9 to 3. 9 to 13 how much? What is the difference? We have 4. 13 to 16 how much we have difference? 3. So between which two number the difference is less, that number we have to take. See, 16, here we have difference less, means the larger number has the difference less, means this is the square root of larger number, which is 37. I know you didn't understand. Once again, one more question we will try. See, this time we will take somewhat bigger number, 2809. Listen carefully please. So first of all you need to write both of the number separately, 28 and 09. So 9 is the unit digit of which square? 9 is the unit digit of 3 and 7. So write 3 and 7. Okay, after this 28. Now 28 is there in between which two square? 5 square 25, 6 square 36. So we have to take smaller. So 5 square 25, afterwards 6 square 36. So smaller is 5 square, means you need to write 5. So here also 5, here also 5. So either it can be 53 or else it can be 57. So any one square root it might be. So now next what you have to do, as I told, here how much it is? 28. So 28 before was 25 x25 after how much it was? 36. Find the difference. So here we are getting 3 and here we are getting how much we are getting here? Here we are getting 8. So the difference is less for the smaller number. So the smaller number means here the smaller number is 53. So this is the square root of 53. I think hope you understood this time. If you didn't understand, please wait. I am going to explain you one more question. 1849. So here 1849 is the square root of which number? So as I told you, write both two digit number separately, 18 and 49. So 9 is the unit digit of 3 and 7. So here 3 and 7 you need to write. Okay, after this 18, now no need to see this, right? You can remember easily. We know that 4 square 16, then 5 will come. So you need to write here 43 or 47, any one. So here 18. So previous square was 16 and next square it will be 25. So here the gap is less. So hope you got it. So where the gap is less, here the difference is less here, right? So 2. So you need to take the smaller number. So smaller number will be 40. So 43 the square root. Hope you understood now. So now please solve this question and write your answer in the comment box. If you understood the trick, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.